All right, fourth grade, I hope you're ready to make some initial charms. Let's get started. So everyone's gonna get some clay and we're gonna roll it into a nice ball shape. You want it to be nice and smooth. Try and get all the little cracks out. Next, take your palm and flatten it. Pick it up and turn it and flatten it again. Keep turning, keep flattening until it's a nice flat pancake shape. It's not too thick or thin. You can take your sponge then and smooth out any wrinkles or any cracks that you might see, because we don't want that on our final piece. Now we're ready to start making it into a pendant. I'm going to take my tool and push it all the way through to the back side. You want it to be at a good distance, not in the middle, but not close to the edge. Make sure that it goes all the way through. And then you're going to kind of rotate it or wiggle it around so that it makes a nice little hole. That'll help for when we put the string in. Smooth out any clay pieces that you see. Now we're ready for our initials. Go ahead and lightly trace out your initials in the clay. Go nice and slow and trace lightly, because if you mess up, you can just go back over it. Make sure that you don't poke it through accidentally all the way to the back side. You don't want to do that. And at any point in time, feel free to use your sponge to wipe away any cracks or any pieces that might have fallen off. You might have to redo it a couple of times, but you can always smooth it out with a sponge. Once you have your initials done, you can start decorating the outside. To decorate, you can just do simple lines or a design or pokes or anything like that. I'm just going to make some zigzag motions around so it kind of makes my initials stand out a little bit. And voila, you're all done.